Okay, so we're gonna try the Kikomando, guys. Mixture of roll chapad with egg and beans, guys. This is like kidney beans. You can see it, guys. This is kidney beans and little bit soupy. So let's see how it tastes. And we can tell you which one you can go for it, Rolex or Kikomando. This is amazing, guys. You know what make it amazing, like tastier, because like the bean soup make it more juicier and little bit juicier. You know, juicy. When it's juicy, you can easily consume it. But eating Rolex alone, like I prefer it. Like if you want to go for Rolex, then you can have a drink with it, then it will be a nice combination. But this one easily you can consume, guys, because it's so juicy and so nice. The last bite. This is nice. Now for me, I'll go for Kikomando. But Rolex is also amazing. I'm not saying it's bad, but this is more juicier, guys. And this is like the most consumed food here in Uganda. And I can say also like among the most affordable food, because having this one, this is like 2K or 3K. The Rolex is 2K only. Like it depends on the places. Some places they sell even this one with 2K, and Rolex mostly is 2K. So which is less than $2, guys. So this one I rated 9, and Rolex will come up with 8, guys. Nice. I love the Ugandan food. So drop out, guys. Let me know which other local food I should go. And in my mind is matooke. So other than matooke, which will be next? Drop the comment. And stay tuned. I'll be staying in Uganda for more months, guys. So suggest some content if you are watching from Uganda. Suggest some places and amazing things that I can discover or try or explore outside here. Love from Africa. Love you all.